Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to read old messages on Instagram. So as you can see, I'm in my personal profile here within Instagram, guys, and in order to go to messages you want to ensure that you click on the home button on the lower left hand side. Now on the top right hand side you see the triangular icon there that will take you into your messages, and if you open up any one of your messages, guys, you will be able to see all those messages. So if you do a swipe down, you will see more into your previous messages, and if you continue you will see more and more and more and more of those messages, and you will be able to see it load. As you swipe down, it will take you up into older messages. Right now, if you have quite a lot of messages, guys, and you're not able to go all the way to the top, then there is another way that you can go through to read quite a lot of those messages, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You want to go all the way back into your home dashboard here within the Instagram, and you want to click on the profile button on the lower right hand side. Then you want to click on the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side. From here you want to click on your activities. Then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says download your information. You want to click on that, and from here you will have this page loads. So go ahead and click the button that says download or transfer your information. And from here, if you have multiple accounts, you will need to click the clear all there in the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to select the Instagram account where you want to download that messages from. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, for example, and I'm going to click next. Then from here you want to select some of your information. Then you want to go ahead and tick the message, and you want to click next, and then you want to click next. Ensure that it is on download to device, so you want to click next. And then from here you can go ahead and you can play around with the date range. If you so desire, you can play around with whichever date range you want there, and you can also go ahead and play around with the format. I recommend that you leave it on HTML, and as well you want to leave the media quality to medium, and then you want to hit the create file button, guys, and that will create a zip file with your old messages so that you can able to read into those old messages. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now guys, if you found this useful, go ahead and give this video a like, and if you've seen the channel for the first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate this, as it will help the channel to grow, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.